Welcome to the Honeywell HPA300 overview. In this video, we'll be going over the key features of the product, setting up your new air purifier, operation and functions of the controls, how to replace the filters when the time is right, and products that can enhance and extend the use of your air purifier. The HPA300 True HEPA Air Purifier Allergen Plus series uses HEPA filtration to help capture up to 99.97% of microscopic allergens, including dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite debris, and smoke. It is perfect for rooms up to 465 square feet and can circulate and filter the room air up to 4.8 times per hour. Easy touch controls are on the top of the unit and feature 3 cleaning levels to choose from with a turbo setting, automatic shutoff timer, dimmer options, and filter change indicator lights. The HPA300 is the largest out of the Honeywell True HEPA Air Purifier Allergen Plus series, which includes the HPA300, the HPA200, and the HPA100. The largest difference between the three is their recommended room size and number of filters each unit uses. All demonstrations in this video will be done on an HPA300, but will apply to the HPA200 and HPA100 models. To set up your new air purifier, start by selecting a firm and flat location. Ensure the front of the unit faces away from the closest wall or furniture, and no grills are blocked. Now, remove and unwrap your Type R certified HEPA filter and Type A odor-reducing pre-filter from inside the unit. To do so, press the hand symbols on the front of the grill to release it from the unit, and pull the grill towards you to remove. Once removed, place the certified HEPA filters into the air purifier housing. Ensure that the removal pull tabs are facing outward. Next, place the pre-filter on top of the HEPA filters. Tuck the edges of the pre-filter into the tabs that are located around the edges of where the pre-filters are inserted. Finally, replace the front grille by placing the tabs on the bottom of the grille into the slots on the unit, and gently push the top of the grille into place by pressing on the hand symbols to secure into place. Once set up, it's time to start using your air purifier. Plug the power cord into a working electrical outlet and you're ready to turn on the unit. Press the power button in the center of the control panel to turn on your air purifier. To select the designated cleaning level, tap the power symbol again to toggle through the cleaning levels. A blue LED light will illuminate the selected settings. There's low, medium, and high. Tapping the power button a 4th time will turn off the unit. The turbo setting operates the unit at the highest speed. This setting will maximize the unit's ability to help reduce odors and will help clean the air quickly. To select the turbo setting, the unit must already be running at one of the 3 cleaning levels. Simply tap the turbo icon and the turbo LED will illuminate. Tapping the turbo icon again will return the air purifier to the previous cleaning setting. On the left side of the control panel are the timer options. There are 3 preset run times to choose from, including 2, 4, and 8 hours. To set the unit for automatic shutoff, tap the auto off timer icon. Continue tapping to toggle through the desired time settings. On the right side of the control panel are the dimmer options. Lastly, on the control panel are the check filters and check pre-filters indicator lights. When it's time to replace your filters and pre-filters, these lights will illuminate. When the pre-filter is covered with dust and particles, it's time to change your pre-filter. When the HEPA filters have changed from white to gray or black, it's time to change your HEPA filters. It is recommended to change your pre-filter once every 3 months and your HEPA filters once every year. To change your filters, you'll want to first turn off and unplug your unit. Next, remove the grill on the front of your unit by clicking in on the top corners. You should hear an audible click as the grill is released. You can now easily remove it. Now you should be able to see your pre-filter. Remove the pre-filter. Once removed, the HEPA filters will be visible. Each HEPA filter should have a tab that you can pull to remove. The HPA300 uses Filter R HEPA filters and Filter A carbon pre-filters. Compatible does not mean comparable. For the best performance, use only genuine Honeywell air purifier filters. Compatible air purifier filter replacements are not guaranteed to offer the same performance or efficiency. All genuine Honeywell filters can be found at honeywellstore.com and will be linked in the description. Once you have your new HEPA filters and pre-filters opened and ready to go, it's time to insert them. Each HEPA filter has an airflow arrow on the side to show which direction these filters should be inserted. When inserting, make sure the tabs on the side are facing outward and not accidentally tucked in. Now that your HEPA filters are installed, it's time to put in the carbon pre-filter. Insert the carbon pre-filter into the tabs around the front of the unit that hold it into place. With all filters and pre-filters changed, you can now place the front grille back onto the unit. To do this, place the tabs on the bottom of the grill into the corresponding holes on the front of the unit. Then, using these as a hinge, push the rest of the grill into place and press the top and left corners of the grill until you hear a click, indicating the grill is locked into place. As previously mentioned, on the top of the HPA300 there is a filter and pre-filter check light. After you've finished replacing your filters, you'll want to reset these indicators. To reset the pre-filter check light, hold down the button for 3 to 5 seconds until the light turns off. To reset the filter check light, hold down the button for 3 to 5 seconds until the light turns off. The Honeywell HPA300 uses the Honeywell Filter R True HEPA filter. These filters capture up to 99.97% of airborne particles at 0.3 microns from the air that passes through the filter. This filter can be bought as a single filter with the HRF R1, as a 2-pack with the HRF R2, or as a 3-pack with the HRF R3. Using the Honeywell Replacement Pre-Filter A helps capture larger airborne particles such as dust, lint, fibers, pet hair, and fur from the air that passes through the filter, maximizing the HEPA filter's life. The activated carbon helps reduce common household odors as well. The Honeywell HPA300 True HEPA Air Purifier Allergen Plus series comes with a 5-year limited warranty. For more information on the HPA300, to purchase this air purifier, or to purchase replacement filters and pre-filters, visit www.honeywellstore.com.